Drymen Business Hub has become a valuable resource for local businesses. It's not just the space that people find useful, it's the positive connections and collaborations that using the hub has created. Here's Katrina Gardner, owner of Park Life magazine.
It's an excellent facility to have on our doorstep here within the Park Life area. It brings together all my businesses, it's central. Not having to travel into Glasgow is just excellent, and you really are meeting the people from all the local villages. So it's been a very, very good facility for us to use.
Simon Orr from Business Gateway uses the hub to meet established local businesses, as well as people who are on the first steps of starting their own venture.
Nearly half the businesses across Stirlingshire are located in the rural area, so it's very important that we present the opportunity to meet them and we support them through the range of resources on offer through Business Gateway and STEP.
We're grateful for people like David Mackey from Drymen Bakery for spreading the word about the hub, recommending us to locals and people on holiday who are looking for a place to work.
The world has changed so significantly since COVID came along. The number of people working from home, and I see it here, they come in, they have their coffee, their afternoon tea and a wee bite to eat here. It's a great addition to have the ability for people to work from home, and also if they have meetings, meet down at the hub. Great addition to the village.
We work closely with local agencies and companies such as STEP Stirling. They've used their venue for meetings and found it an ideal way for them to connect with this area.
Whilst our offices are in Stirling City Centre, we engage on a rural basis with the Drymen Business Hub, and we've found that they're really useful and helpful, as well as being really friendly and kind when we want to host any events, whether they're large or small. They're flexible enough to host either. The team are on hand with any questions or concerns that you may have, and it's a good connection for the Drymen Business Hub to have with businesses, city centre and rural in the Stirling area.
We have great facilities and a flexible way of working, so using the hub is affordable for businesses of all sizes. Thanks to everyone that's helped to make Drymen Business Hub a success.